Hello again, and welcome back to my kitchen, and welcome to any new viewers. Today I'm going to be making my mum's fruit cake. It's a very traditional one, and we've had it all our lives, and sadly mum's gone, but never forgotten, and she lives on through this beautiful fruit cake. So sit back and let me show you how I make it. Well, as you can see, the cakes are now cooked. Took about 2.5, nearly 3 hours. They smell, they have this most gorgeous aroma. But I'm going to actually feed them now. I'm going to put a skewer through them in several places and then dampen them down with some lovely Bundaberg rum. Do that over the next couple of weeks or however long it takes to get to Christmas. They're absolutely full of lovely, beautiful, plump fruits and all kinds of lovely, yummy things. Now, I know a lot of people, apparently in America it's a big standard joke about fruitcakes, but we Australians and British, we love them. There it is. Just going to paint some on. Just feed them some lovely liquid gold. Yum. Just smells so lovely. And obviously this will prolong its life, the cake's life. And you know, keep it lovely and moist. And here it is, our beautiful cake. It's been fed with rum and it smells amazing. So I'm going to have to cut into it and portion it out and put some in tins and some wrapped and all ready for Christmas. Let me take this opportunity to thank everybody who's subscribed to me throughout this past year. It's been a wonderful, exciting ride. Thank you so much, and to any new people, thank you also. And I want to wish you all a merry and happy and joyous Christmas and many wonderful, happy things for 2020. See you all soon. Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.